Hi guys, today we're going to check out remote control, see what's inside it. It's kind of an old one now at this stage, so I don't mind taking it apart. I was going to do it a nice easy way, but I think we'll just get stuck into it. There you go, that's the top off. And there are the two little bulbs inside that transmit the information to the television, obviously. So, just this side. Yeah, that's the top off. So yeah, all the buttons. And obviously it's just a rubber kind of set that goes over the circuit board. That's it. And the back of that, little CPU, transistor, and the little transmitter transmits the information to television. Not sure what that is. It looks like a little aerial. In the description of there. And obviously just the batteries, the battery compartment. So that's more or less it in a nutshell. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and give us a like. And if you'd like to comment, all the better. And that's more or less it. I'll just leave it like that, maybe. Give it a better idea. That's the other side. There you go. So talk soon next time.